Hello from Lloyd BMW Cone, we hope you're well, and we are really excited to present to you this journey-defining Alpine White 1 Series with contrasting black Dakota leather interior. This sleek style and timeless contrasting colour scheme is undeniably BMW, made only more striking thanks to its M Sport exterior styling and high gloss Shadowline exterior trim. With only 2,200 miles from new, this elegant car is in first class condition and boasts a great specification. Enjoy Anti-Dazzle folding mirrors, Connected Package Pro, electric folding doors, multifunction steering wheel, DAB radio, cruise control, and our M Sport package and M Sport suspension. For safety in all seasons, this 1 Series has sun protection glass, LED fog lights, heated front seats, and dimming rear view mirrors. This car is brimming with style and packed with great features and spec, just waiting for an owner like you to take the wheel. Interested in this first class 1 Series? Please get in touch with our fantastic sales team here at Lloyd BMW Cone. Thank you, and we hope to hear from you soon.